Next exercise is for conversion of whole circle bearing. So convert the following into following whole circle bearings into reduced bearings or quadrantal bearings. Okay, so one angle is 67 degree, then 167 degree, then 267 degree, then 357 degree. So these are the, we have to convert it into this. First of all, you should try by sketch. The starter will start with the help of sketch. So you can take, so draw this type of, first you draw the four quadrant and name them. Okay, this is my first. Here at the top right and north, right hand side east, then south and west. This is the proper way. Okay, so always 0 is at north degree. Okay, degree is 0. So first you take the angle 67 degree. So make this angle, this bearing of the line is 67 degree. Okay, 7 degree. So it lies in the first quadrant. This quadrant is also known as northeast quadrant. So its value will be north, same value 67 degree east. Okay, this is the first answer. When the value lies between 0 to 90 degree, it remains in the first quadrant. It is always indicated by north and east. Now in the second case, again you draw the sketch. Now this is the again line, this is north, this is east, this is south, this is west. Now this is 167 degree, 167 degree. So 0 is at the north, here is 90 degree. So this will come to be over here like this. This angle is 167 degree. Now this is comes into the southeast quadrant. So you have to determine this value. This is alpha. So write down simply southeast. What is the value of this? 180 is this one angle minus this 167. So you can say 180 degree minus 167 degree. It comes to be 23 degree. So south 23 degree east is the second answer. Okay, then go for the 267 degree. So 267 degree the whole circle bearing. Again draw the this. So sketch will help you. Starter will start this. After practice you can do it automatically. North, right hand side east, then south, this is west. So 0 is at north, this is 90 degree, 180 degree, and then this is 267 degree. So this will be the bearing of the line. This bearing is 267 degree. Okay, so we want to know this angle. Very close to this line is not this west. Some students may mistaken over here. This very close to the basic line, north south, not the east west, because our 0 is with north. So angle is always with north. So very close to this is south. This quadrant is south west. What is the value of this angle? This value is equal to 267 degree minus 180 degree. So 267 degree minus 180 degree. This comes to be 87 degree. So its answer will be south 87 degree west. This is the okay. So then last one is 357 degree. Okay, for this. So again you draw the sketch. This is the north line, this is the north, this is south, and this is east, this is west. 0 is with north, you go like this 180 degree, 270 degree. Now it will be over here like this. This is the angle that is 357 degree. This is the angle. Okay. So very close to this is north pole. This is the value of alpha. This we want to calculate. So this quadrant is known as northwest. So you can write down simply north. This is west. What is the value of this alpha? This you can count 360 degree minus 357. 300 total angle is 360 degree. Deduct it 357 degree. This come to be 3 degree. So this answer will be 3 degree west. This is the way how we can convert the whole circle bearing into reduced bearing or quadrantal bearing. So while drawing the sketch is the best way. Now this we are going to start the conversion of reduced bearing into whole circle bearing. Okay, this is again with me. So you first go and try with sketches. Later on there are very formulas. So first you will take again. So I will take first question is north east 25 degree. Then second is south east 25 degree. Then this is south west 25 degree. Then last is north west 25. This is I have taken very critical and very simple question so that you are able to understand it. So I will take first question. So again you will draw this. Again you will draw the 4 quadrants. So this is very simple way by graphically. So here this is north. North is 0 degree always. Okay. So you identify the quadrant. This is the south pole, this is east pole, this is the west pole. Here you can mark this. You mark this northeast 25 degree. This is my northeast quadrant. You can mark always angle with the north. Okay, this is the value of 25 degree. You can say north 25 degree east. So what will be its whole circle bearing? So in first quadrant the value of whole circle bearing and reduced bearing will be same because the angle is always with the reference to north line. With the reference to north line this angle is 25 degree. So you can say its answer is 25 degree whole circle bearing. Okay. Now you go for this south is 25 degree. Now this is the angle 25 degree. South 25 degree east. So we have to make the angle with the north. So with the north this will be the whole circle bearing. Line is there. This you have to calculate how much is this angle. This angle is equal to total angle is 180 degree. This is deduct from this 25 degree. So you can say 180 degree minus 25 degree. This come to be 55 degree. This is the whole circle bearing. So this come to be 155 degree, the whole circle bearing of the line after conversion of this south 25 degree east. So now we will take this. Then the quadrant is third quadrant, southwest quadrant. Again you will draw this pole, again write on north. It is not. Now the pole is south 25 degree west. This angle is this one. Southwest quadrant is this one. Here is angle 25 degree. Okay, 5 degree. So we have to take the bearing of this line with the north. Bearing of this line with the north will be this line. Okay, so how much is this? 180 degrees plus add this. So you can write down here this is 180 degree plus 25 degree. This come to be 205 degree. So bearing of this line is 205 degree. Clear? So now I will take the next quadrant. This is the quadrant again. This is northwest quadrant. Again north, south, east, west. Okay. So this is 25 degree northwest. So this is northwest quadrant. This value is this 25 degree. Okay. 25 degree northwest. So we have to again measure the bearing of this line with reference to north in the clockwise direction. All whole circle bearings will be recorded in the clockwise direction. This you should remember. This is the angle. This angle we can calculate now. This angle is equal to 360 degree minus 25 degree. Okay, this comes to be 301 and 35. 300. This comes to be 335 degree. Yes. And that's one. So this the value of this angle is 335 degree. So this is the way how we can convert the while drawing the sketches. This is the best and final method which you cannot mistaken. So this is the way. Otherwise there are formulas. You can follow the formulas. Formulas I have already told you in this. Northeast alpha, these values are here. So for this you can calculate it.